Welcome to another Yaad events. Today we are at the final year visual arts exhibition at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. If you know me, you know I love art. So stick around and see what these talented students have in store for you. All right, so I'm here with Maurice, and Maurice is going to introduce himself and tell me about his project.
Oh, hello. Hey guys, I'm Maurice Hibbert, an interdisciplinary studies student. My project, Masculinity on Display, tackles that same ideology of that most men have to kind of birthed with certain habits. So we're taught certain things, and in life, we're taught them, and then sometimes we die by them. So on the outside, most men are kind of told that we have to kind of exude the same hyper-masculine personality or a persona that we take on, while individually we're kind of having thoughts of who we are, how we can express ourselves within society. But if we step out of that rigid box, usually called the man box theory, where if we step outside of that, people look at it as, oh, you're not man enough, or we kind of get called different names. So in my video installation, or new media installation, I'm tackling that whole ideology. Like, suppose I just want to wear the color pink. Why am I get premiums for that, essentially? So I kind of questioning people and just their whole beliefs and how we kind of nurture young boys to have the same habits and perpetuate them, and then eventually when they're grown with those habits, they die by them, and then it's like, oh, that's how them stay, when really and truly we perpetuate it. So.
Okay, deep. So how did you, everything that you just told me, how did you use all of that in the actual presentation?
Well, in the presentation, you can look at it first, the installation, which is the table, which is basically that's that whole external projection of that whole identity, the rude boy identity that we're kind of familiar within dancehall. So if you realize that within the video projection, we see a man going into the bathroom. Why a bathroom? You realize that whenever we go into the bathroom, we kind of tackle our whole identity, who we are. On the surface level, we kind of tackle how we look and whatever. But that's on a deeper message, we're looking at the beliefs. So if in the bathroom now, he goes on a self-discovery journey on his beliefs. So on to the right side now, we see a future state of where he wants to go, being able to express himself, which is why we see motifs of water and fluidity, and the sky, freedom, and even birds, etc. These things in nature are already being free. But we as men are kind of limited to that same confinement. And if you go to your left now, that's that same rigid stereotype he has to adhere to. Because if he don't adhere to, it's almost like he's seen less as a man. And I just wanted to tackle that whole idea. So if you really pay attention, you can see that there's different nuances that I try to tackle on.
Okay, thank you so much. You articulated your work so well. So I know that you put in your research and you yeah, man, I see it, man. I'm wishing you all the best. What's next?
Well, I'm planning to bring up a next exhibition, a next project. So trust me, this will be an ongoing thing as basically a new media artist, because I'm combining not only installation, film, sound design, and animation. I'm combining these things into like a one video installation, so it's immersive, so you can experience it, which is what I hope you guys are able to take away with you today.
All right, how can people find you, and how can people work with you, and how can they find you?
Well, you can work with me by emailing me at hibbertmaurice@gmail.com, or if you go on Instagram, you'll just type in Maurice Hibbert or Jigs the Creator. Either one, you'll find me and I'll pop up on your feed.
The School of Visual Arts Final Year Exhibition celebrates the remarkable talent and achievements of the next generation of artists. This event represents the culmination of years of hard work, growth, and artistic exploration. It serves as a testament to the boundless potential of the students at the Edna Manley College and their ability to create art that resonates deeply with the world. Don't miss out on this extraordinary visual feast. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes, where we will introduce you to more exceptional student exhibitors, their captivating projects, and the stories that fuel their creative vision. Prepare to be captivated, moved, and inspired by the School of Visual Arts final year exhibition at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts.
If you're interested in coming to see the exhibition, it goes straight up until June 29, so you need to check it out. All right, thanks again for watching another Yaad Events. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you at the next Yaad event. One love.